Hey Juan,
Yeah, Kim?
have you ever wondered how astronomers calculate the distance between stars in the universe?
Actually, I have wondered.
Let's find out.
Let's go.
This house has never been the same as before. It's never felt warm.
Look! It says right here in astronomy, scientists use two different steps to find the distance between two stars, a parallax formula and another equation.
What's a parallax?
The parallax effect is when the position of an object is different when you view it from another position. For example, when I stand here, this is what I see. Whereas when I stand over here, the view changes and I see this.
Astronomers today apply this in finding the distance between two stars with the parallax formula. The parallax formula says the distance to a star is equal to 1 over the parallax angle. This is the angle between the Earth at one time of year and Earth 6 months later as measured from a nearby star. This is shown in the following illustration. If this is done twice for two different stars, we find the distance of both stars from the Earth. We could not gather enough data ourselves because it takes 6 months to do this, so we gathered the known distance of Lumen 16 and Barnard's star from Earth. We found that Lumen 16 was 6.517 light years and Barnard's star was 5.978 light years away. After finding the distance of the stars from Earth, we can move on to the next step. We can now find the distance between both of the stars by using this formula. The square root of the first distance squared plus the second distance squared minus 2 times the first distance times the second distance times cosine of the angular spacing. So we already know how to do everything except find the cosine of angular spacing. So in order to find this, we must find the angular spacing or the angular distance by plugging in the RA, which means right ascension, and the declination into a calculator because it would have taken too much time to explain how to actually do it. This gave us the angular spacing or the angular distance to be 103.1928. After calculating all the numbers, we find that the distance between the two stars is equal to the square root of 95.99071247, or 9.797485 light years. With that being said, it'll take about 9.8 light years for Barnard's star to reach Lumen 16. Kim, we don't have to wonder how to calculate the distance between two stars anymore.
Dude, we're basically astronomers now.
Basically.
How little you know. We're standing at the foot of the path. I had to go back, I had to go back. I chose to travel as a lonely man. So much that I like, so much that I like. I'm always wishing I was walking that road. Something I hope, something I hope. Take it with me all the places I go. How little you know, how little you know.